If you're working on gas appliances, make sure you are competent to do so and follow the electrical safe isolation.
If you have a customer saying hot waters go hot and cold, or it don't get hot enough, or get too hot, but it goes very cold after, right, that possibly is your plate heat exchanger is blocked or restricted. In this video, I explain how to replace that in the Worcester 30Si compact, but possibly it will be same in any other boiler if they're experiencing the same issue. Before we start, always turn the fuse belts off, follow the safe isolation, remove the fuse, and always make sure 3 amp fuse in there. You only need 3 amp for the boiler. So for a start, you need to isolate the boiler so we can drain the boiler. On all the Combi boilers, majority of them, first one on the right and the first one on the left are flow and returns for the central heating. And in this case, because we need to drain the water pipe within the system as well, you have to isolate the flow cold main to the boiler and open all the hot taps within the property so we get all the pipes drained as well. Make your customer aware to don't use any cold, because if they have a mixer tap, it can backfill and you will get soaked in front of the boiler. So let's begin with removing a condensed trap like this, and normally fold it up so it stop any waters coming out the trap. You just need to a bit wiggle around and it will come off. Always empty it into the bucket and start with opening the screw on the plate heat exchanger. It's quite easy on this boiler. And the other Worcester models, they are normally in the backside, and they are a bit pain. But on this one, it's just one screw and 2 hooks holding it from the other side. So empty the excess water within the plate heat exchanger, and there you go. You see on the bottom hole where the central heating water is, the water is very dirty. It's coming out. Keep shaking it. We just want to show you what can come out of it. Shaky. There we go. So all these bits go and block this plate heat exchanger, is stopping the good circulation within the boiler when you're using a hot water. And when the boiler cannot circulate enough, it cannot heat up your water pipe. So you're not going to get good shower, or you're not going to get good hot water tap in your kitchen, or they're going hot and cold. Start and begin removing the 4 seals on the bracket, the back side of the plate heat exchanger, and normally clean those areas. There is a new one. See how clean is this one? Shiny. And it comes with the 4 new seals and a screw. So I normally put some silicone on the actual seal. I forgot this time, but I've done it after, to hold those seals in place. 2 on the top, bigger ones, which is the central heating side and the water within the boiler, and 2, which is one is cold coming in, the other side's hot's coming out. So these 2 hooks go into the holes on the right hand side, push in, push back, and then you put a screw back in place. Then open the cold main to the boiler. So first we're checking to make sure we not have any leak on the domestic hot water side. Do it first, I advise, when the taps are open, so we not put too much pressure, or in case if you have a leak, you close it here and the taps draining the water. And afterward, close it when you have no leak and you're good to go. Now we're opening the flow and return to the boiler to fill up the boiler and make sure we have no leak on the central heating side. There you go. Gonna fill up the system. Put it about 1 to 1.5. Happy days, no leak, all good. Oh wait, I forgot to put the trap back in. Yeah, you just put the trap, push back in, same as how you removed it. Push the flexi pipe back in, make sure you don't get any leak on the condensed side. Fuse back in place. Make sure you always do the safety checks on the boiler. Put the case back. There you go, those two holding the case. Always make sure the flue, especially on the Worcesters, are screwed and cemented. Follow the manufacturer's instruction. Flue caps back in place. 2 screws, one on the right, one on the left, holding the case, and then you put the front panel back in place until these 2 hinges get locked in. Always careful with these hinges, they always break, and if you break it, please replace it. All good. Jobs are good in. Please like and subscribe for the more videos. Bye.